Alright, drone flight is complete. I'm here in Richmond, the Green. Did a drone flight, the clouds have come now. I'm probably just going to explore this area for a bit and just show you what's down here. I'm going to go down to the riverside and just explore it. Right, so at the riverside. Looks really nice. Got ducks here as well. Everything, as you can see. So I could have even taken off my drone from here and got a low down shot of this area. Maybe I'll do it next time. Come here next time and do a low down shot of my drone. Look at that, insane. So as you can see, really nice down here. I could even just sat here, taken off my drone, gone down there with the drone. I did get a good drone flight. It's really nice, really good area. Definitely do a drone flight here again. I'm gonna start it back now. Look at A380 from Emirates. And alright, back where we are now. Richmond Green. We'll walk straight down back to the station. A lot of old cars here though, it's nice. Got many line bikes here in Richmond. All these line bikes. The telephone booth. Walk down. It's really nice with the shade and the green and the trees around there as well. Makes it look really good. Good shot. Every minute a plane is going to Heathrow above this place. The sun just makes it a different vibe. Got another small plane coming. We've got a little Richmond Green. Called Little Green, that's literally what it's called. Really nice little green as well. Now I'm going to go back to the main part of Richmond. Nice shot, we're going to go to the main part of Richmond. Let's go back to the station. Really nice area. This is my mic setup, as you can see, 1 True Legend. And across the road here. Alright, we're at Richmond Station. Just walking down Neasden near Wembley. I'm gonna do a drone flight here. Just gonna walk it down. It's a hot day today. I see Tesco's right there. Just gonna walk down until I get to this location where I could take off my drone from. It's down here, as you can see. So it's a bit of a walk. It's really busy here. Alright, so we're at this location, at this recreation ground. Nice sunny day, as you can see. A lot of buildings in the back of Wembley. Yeah, it's a nice day. Take my drone from this area. Yeah, it's really hot. Sun's too hot, man. I'm probably gonna take it off from here. Get a view of everything in the area. Or should I go in the shade? Look at that building, the chimney. I'm gonna get a drone shot near that as well. Go up high in the sky. Right, drone flight's complete. I'm just now gonna walk back and yeah, walk past the station, record parts of it. I'll just walk down here and look. Look at that. Algae everywhere. It's mad. Alright, I'm on the footbridge. Let's just get some shots on top of this footbridge. Go in the middle. Down there we go. Right, let's go. That is on that. Let's go down now. Wait for the cars. Right, so we are here. Just gonna walk down now. Nice breeze in this hot weather, that's what we need. It's getting close to like 6 p.m. now. It is 6 p.m. already, 6:30. Alright, back in this area now. Crossing by the train station. You get a shot of the trains as it goes by. There's a Jubilee Line train there. Got a big tank over there. You can probably see the trains go through there as well. Alright, let's go down. As you can see, here it's just gated so you can't really see that much. There's a big train coming there. Chiltern Railways. It's probably come from another part of the country. Guys, welcome back to Drone Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. Let's just get a shot of down here. around shot of it. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Croydon. Alright, we're finished the drone flight in Wandle Park. As soon as I landed, the sun went away, which is amazing. So now I'm just going to walk back towards the station of West Croydon. Right, so this is my POV coming back. Just going to show you the trams over here, trams. And you've got the underpass, which I'm going to go under.